So here is the latest 5 o'clock from Tropical Storm Isaias. There we go. Those will be some of the last times we got to say this one. All right, so by tonight, overnight, we're looking at it just off the, say, the Cape, or maybe just north of the Cape. And then as we get into tomorrow, it's moving up towards Georgia. And then potential landfall here finally. Remember, it didn't make landfall in the U.S. yet, but it is forecast now, too, around the Grand Strand, maybe North Myrtle Beach, and head up into North Carolina after that, and just sort of ride right along the coastline there. Up all the big cities in the Northeast will get a little taste of this, but not going to be a hurricane or anything for them. The spaghetti model's pretty well organized here, well grouped here for this to finally do this, so it may start to behave. Now, we don't have any more tropical storm, hurricane watches or warnings over land for our area, but offshore, the Treasure Coast, we still have that tropical storm warning, and we have a wind advisory for the rest of it. Now, not the only one out there. There is something behind it. A lot of people asking about this one. It does have a medium chance to develop, maybe not right away, but maybe towards Tuesday, Wednesday time frame. But this one is going to move north of Florida. Already expected to move north of here, and the models really don't spin this up to anything super strong anyways. It may just sit out here a little bit, and that will be it for that one. So this one, even though you may hear the next name storm, it doesn't look like it's going to bother us at all. Next name on the list is an easy one, Josephine there, and then Kyle. A pretty easy one there too. So looking at the satellite, the bulk of the strong storms, everything's offshore. We just have these little bits that come down, and they do contain some gusty winds. We had 52, 53 mile per hour winds. Those were our highest wind gusts, and they're at the Lake Worth Pier and PBIA. And Vero had a 50-something gust maybe a couple hours ago, and you still have these little squalls that move on through, one moving right into Port St. Lucie, Stuart, Jensen Beach too, with a little bit of rain, and even still some in the Palm Beach County too. So not a ton of it out there. The center way out here, and that will continue to move out of our area. We're on the drier side here. Jupiter right now, still pretty cloudy and breezy out there, but for the most part, things will be improving through the nighttime hours. Can't rule out a shower or two overnight, a breezy, gusty shower, not out of the question. Temperatures tomorrow, we're back up to near 90. I think we'll see breaks in the clouds. We'll see some sunshine. Back to afternoon thunderstorms once again. And we see as this pulls away, we'll be left with a lot of tropical moisture tomorrow, and showers and storms will move in from the south and push up to the north. So we still have those high rain chances really all week long with all this tropical moisture sticking around. The boating forecast, small craft advisory tonight, then things starting to settle down, and the beaches too. Everything will start to settle down, but we'll still have those scattered storms out there. 7-day forecast, highs generally in the low 90s, super humid, so heat index will be about $105 each day, and we will get abundant rainfall each afternoon.